This video is for educational purpose to help creators avoid scams and keep their YouTube channel safe.
My YouTube channel got hacked yesterday by an influencer agency that contacted me and even paid me 50%, shockingly. Let me give you the backstory. Now, I know a lot of people who come here and tell me, oh, why didn't you put two-step verification? Why did you use same email for your YouTube, for your brand deals as well? No, I did not do any of those, okay? I did not. I had two-step verification on my account, and I was using a different email to answer my brand deals and a different email on my YouTube channel. Hear me out, the smart ones, because I know you guys will come for me. Why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? Now, I got contacted by a brand, by an influencer agency, like they do, or a middleman company to work with an AI tool, to advertise, to do a video, to advertise an AI tool, which is what I do. We talked. They paid their 50%. After they paid their 50% to work, see, creators, people will pay you these days to hack your account, okay?
Guys, did you hear what she just said? She said people will pay you to hack your account. You don't know what that means. They will come with juicy, fantastic deals. Like juicy deals that you can't even say no. Guys, listen to this video. There's a reason why I'm playing this video. I want you to hear from the horse's mouth. Put this here for my subscribers. So please, wherever you're going to be watching this from, don't just, if you are the kind that used to fast forward video, this is not one of them. Please take your time and watch this. Let's listen to what she said.
Yes, I let my God down. They already paid, so I wasn't thinking anymore like, oh, this is going to be a scam or this is going to be a hacker or something. And then they sent me their influencer page, like the link to say, oh, this is our influencer page in case. I opened the page without fear. I checked. Everything was okay. It's an influencer page, with influencers and all that. The only thing is I did not check the domain when the page was created and all that. Comments and whatever is going on the page. I didn't really check like that, the website. I didn't really check.
What she said, she said she didn't check the domain. She didn't take time to check the website, to even check to know if actually it's real or it's not real. It's something I would have done. The reason is because I mean, these are people who have paid. So automatically I'll feel like there is nothing to be scared about. Guys, you need to pick lessons from this. That is, did you see the reaction? Like, there's how I feel right now. Like, you don't understand. If they demonetize your account, it's a different feeling because there is hope that after 90 days you can reapply. This one, your account is gone. An account that took her how many years to build? An account that gave her authority, an account that gave her brand deals, an account that there is money inside the account. Goodness. The account, this is not 1K account. This is not 2K account, guys. This is a big account. On a record, it's a big account. And let me also tell you something. She said that, if you listen to her very well, she said that the email she used on our YouTube, like for our YouTube channel, is not the same email that this thing happened. Now, these people were able to put in some fishy links, some fishy codes into those, like the Google Drive. And she didn't know. So I wouldn't have known because I'm not a cyber security person. She verified her account. Like, she got the verification notification from her phone, from her phone, showing that she's the one that is actually pushing this thing, right? She's the one sending this. She's the one that wants to log into her account. She didn't know that these guys are very smart. Goodness. I don't know, YouTube, I don't know how you are going to help her restore this account back to her, because she's actually appealing that we can write to the support. Yeah, we can write to the support of, for you to this is what happened. So if you have the influence, please do that. And if you've ever come across her profile, honestly, I know her. I followed her. I love her steps. I love her AI creation. Yes, I subscribed to her the previous account before the account got hacked. And I still subscribe to her now. Not because she's in my niche. I love her video. Her video are clean, very educative. I'm telling you. So please, if you're listening to me right now, I'm gonna drop the link to this particular video. Go and watch this video and make sure you subscribe to her. Let's support her. Let's bring her back again to her feet. Let's make her smile again. The video is so emotional. She literally cried in the video. So what is the lesson I'm going to share with you right now? The lesson is, no matter how careful you are on this YouTube street, if something wants to happen to your account, it will not look at how careful you are. It will happen. There are people out there who are out, like they are smarter than you. They can use money, like she said. They will use money to influence you. They will use money to buy you. I have deal for you, $1,000 deals. And you don't, because of the money, you will not want to move further to make your research. Please, this is a great lesson. Anytime you see links like that, don't be in a hurry to click the link. I wouldn't have known. I would have clicked the link. We are learning from my experience now, and experience is the best teacher. She shared her experience. I'm learning from her experience, and I want you to also learn from her experience. So if there's anything you will learn tonight or after watching this video, please share it to your loved ones, share it to your friends. Let them be aware of what is going on. A lot of things is happening. A lot of account would still be hacked even after our own have been hacked. So she's not going to be the first account that has gotten hacked, and she's not going to be the last one. So it means that for you out there that is doing well, you know how much you put in to build that account to this level. You know the energy you put in. You know the effort you put in to build that account. You wouldn't want to make this mistake. Try and avoid as many mistakes as possible. Learn from this. All right. I feel so sorry about the loss of your account. My AI coach, the name, I can't really pronounce the name, but if you are watching me right now, I am super, super proud of you. The energy you are returning back, see, you are not falling. Do you know why I'm saying that? You are rising from you are rising from the experience. You already have the foundation of how to grow on YouTube. So it's now easy for you to bounce back. I am rooting for you. Don't feel bad. Don't cry anymore. We got you. You're gonna rise and you'll be so surprised. This rising will break the internet. It's gonna be better than the former. Trust me. I know what I'm saying. The reason is you are not failing, but you are rising from experience. So if you have not followed this channel yet, this is Build and Brand with Kuyik, and in this channel, I help new YouTubers, new content creators, and 0 to 5K subscribers who are struggling to navigate around this platform. I struggled, I made mistakes. So this channel is to correct those mistakes, to share my strategies, share YouTube growth tips, strategies to help you grow, build, and monetize your account. If this sounds like something you like and this is the first time, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to like this video and comment below. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.